Right, in this video, again, I'm having to remake it because of copyright issues, but I am continuing to put um, tile in this shower. By the way, this was an old, like I said, this was an old video, but everything about the showers worked perfectly. No issues at all. I did have a little bit of cracking on the grout in some areas, but not much. I did put an additive in there, the plasticizing additive, and then I don't remember which kind of grout I used, but you'll mix it to about a um, brownie-like consistency, and then you'll use that. Uh, Again, I made my cracks really, my distance between the tile really thick, just because I didn't. I like the thick lines. And I think that makes the difference between which grout you use, if I remember. And then I used the trowel that made the real thick lines.